Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Hyundai. So it's on a 2012 plate. It's only covered 25,000 miles. We got it from an elderly woman. It's got one previous owner. It's got full service history with it. It's got 2 keys, HPI clear, clean and presentable for the age and mileage. Got a big pile of receipts with it. She spent quite a bit of money on it. So it's the i10, so it's only £20 a year. Road tax. Boots all clean and tidy. Doesn't look like anyone's really sat in the back seats. So this would be an ideal learner car or second car. Really easy to park, really cheap to maintain and run. 2 keys, as I say. Aircon with it as well. Electric windows. We've just done a bit of prep to it as well, but we'll put all the details on the advert. So like all our cars, they come with 12 months MOT. They come with a warranty as well, and we can offer part exchange. It's always viewing by appointment only, just so you don't have a wasted trip, and you can reserve a vehicle with a small reservation fee. Thanks for watching.